Hello there, and welcome to Nightfall Science. Tonight we drift gently away from our own small world, out past the planets, out beyond the stars and galaxies, all the way to the very edge of the cosmos, to wonder at the whole vast universe itself. The universe is everything there is, all the stars and galaxies, all the space between them, all that exists, gathered together into one great and gentle whole. It began, long ago, in a single quiet moment, and has been gently expanding ever since, growing vaster across the ages. It stretches out around us in every direction, so immense that its farthest reaches lie beyond even our sight. We will drift slowly out toward its edge tonight, gently and without hurry, letting the vastness of the universe carry you softly towards sleep. For all its unimaginable vastness, the universe is a calm and patient place, unfolding slowly across spans of time almost beyond meaning. It has been growing gently for billions of years, and it will continue on softly for ages yet to come. And tonight, we will wander gently through it all, from its quiet beginning to its farthest reaches, one soft wonder at a time, in no hurry to arrive anywhere at all. If you find a little peace in these quiet journeys, you're welcome to follow along. Leave a gentle thought below, or share this with someone who needs rest tonight. It helps these calm nights find others, one drifting mind at a time. But for now, there is nothing more to do. Let yourself grow comfortable. Let your shoulders ease away from the day. Let your breathing slow, and let your eyes grow heavy whenever they wish to. The universe has been expanding gently for billions of years, and it will keep drifting softly outward while you fall asleep. Let's begin. Let us start, gently, with what the universe truly is. The universe is everything that exists, all of it gathered together into one great whole. It holds all the stars, and all the galaxies, and all the vast spaces between them. It holds all the matter there is, and all the energy, and all of space and time itself. Everything you have ever seen or touched or known is a part of it, a small piece of the great cosmos. It is the sum of all things, the grand and gentle totality of existence, holding everything softly within it, across its unimaginable expanse. The scale of the universe is almost impossible to truly imagine. It is so vast that even our own galaxy, holding hundreds of billions of stars, is but a single tiny speck within it. And there are hundreds of billions of such galaxies, scattered across distances so immense that light itself takes billions of years to cross them. The universe stretches out around us in every direction, far beyond anything the mind can truly hold. It is a humbling thought, this immense scale of the cosmos, so vast that our whole galaxy is but a gentle grain of sand upon its shore. There is a limit to how much of the universe we can see, and we call this the observable universe. Because light takes time to travel, and the universe has existed for a finite span, we can only see out to a certain distance, as far as light has had time to reach us. This region, the part we can see, is itself unimaginably vast, stretching for billions of light years in every direction. It is the great sphere of the cosmos visible to us, centered gently upon our small world. It is a soothing thought, this observable universe, the vast reach of the cosmos we can see, stretching softly out around us in every direction. The universe is not still, but gently expanding, growing vaster with every passing moment. The vast space between the galaxies is slowly stretching, carrying the galaxies gently apart from one another as the whole universe grows. It is not that the galaxies fly through space, but that space itself is gently swelling, like a vast slow expansion in every direction. It is a gentle thought, this quiet expansion of the universe, the great cosmos softly growing, stretching ever wider across the immense reaches of time, carrying the galaxies gently apart. This gentle expansion holds a beautiful clue to the beginning of the universe. If the universe is expanding now, growing vaster with time, then long ago it must have been smaller and closer together. And if we imagine going back, further and further, the whole universe would have been gathered into an ever smaller, ever denser, ever hotter state. Following this gentle thread back to its beginning, we come to the very birth of the cosmos. It is a wondrous thought that the gentle expansion we see today points softly back to a single beginning, long ago, when the whole universe was gathered together. The universe began, long ago, in a single quiet moment, from which everything has grown. In that first moment, the entire cosmos was gathered into an unimaginably hot and dense state. And then it began, gently, to expand. From that beginning, across billions of years, everything we know slowly grew. All the stars and galaxies and worlds. We sometimes call this beginning the Big Bang, the gentle birth of the universe from which all things came. It is a profound thought, this single quiet beginning, from which the whole vast cosmos gently grew, across the long ages. It is worth resting, gently, on what this beginning truly was. The birth of the universe was not an explosion within space, scattering matter outward into some existing emptiness. Rather, it was the gentle beginning of space itself, and of time, and of everything, all expanding softly together from that first moment. There was no outside for it to expand into, for it was the beginning of all there is. It is a subtle and beautiful thought, this birth of the universe, not an explosion in space, but the gentle beginning of space and time themselves, unfolding softly from the start. In its very first moments, the young universe was unimaginably hot and dense, and filled with brilliant energy. Everything that would ever exist was gathered into an incredibly small and searing state, glowing with a heat beyond all imagining. And then, gently, it began to expand. And as it expanded, it slowly cooled. From that hot, dense beginning, the universe gently grew and cooled across the ages. It is a wondrous thought, this searing young cosmos, unimaginably hot and dense, gently beginning to expand and cool, in the first moments of everything. As the young universe expanded and cooled, the first gentle pieces of matter began to form. In the searing heat of the beginning, matter could not yet gather into any lasting form. But as the universe cooled, the smallest pieces of matter slowly took shape, and then gathered gently into the simplest kinds of atoms. From the cooling of the young cosmos, the first gentle matter was born, the simplest building blocks of everything to come. It is a soothing thought, this first matter forming gently in the cooling universe, the quiet beginnings of all the stars and worlds to come. For a time, the young universe was so hot and dense that light itself could not travel freely. In those early ages, the cosmos was filled with a thick, glowing haze, through which light could not pass, scattered endlessly by the crowded matter. But as the universe cooled, and the matter gathered into atoms, the haze gently cleared, and light was set free to travel at last. It is a gentle thought, this clearing of the young cosmos, the thick early haze softly lifting, and the light of the universe streaming freely for the first time across the newly clear expanse. That first light, set free so long ago, still drifts gently through the cosmos today. When the young universe cleared and light was freed to travel, that ancient light began a journey across the ages that continues even now. It has been traveling for nearly the whole age of the universe, gently stretched and softened by the expanding cosmos, until today it drifts as a faint, gentle glow, filling all of space. It is a wondrous thought, this most ancient light, set free in the young universe, still drifting softly through the cosmos, a gentle echo of the dawn of everything. We can still gently detect this ancient light today, filling the whole sky, spread softly across the entire cosmos. This faint glow from the young universe reaches us from every direction, a gentle whisper from the dawn of time. It is the oldest light there is, the most ancient thing we can see, a soft echo of the young cosmos, still drifting gently through space. It is a soothing thought, that we can still sense this gentle light from the beginning of the universe, filling the whole sky softly, a quiet echo of the dawn of everything, arriving gently at our world. After this first light was freed, the universe entered a long, quiet age of darkness. For a time, there were no stars yet, no galaxies, only gentle clouds of the simplest matter, drifting through the young cosmos in a deep and patient dark. The universe rested quietly in this long, dark age, waiting softly, as the first structures slowly began to gather. It is a peaceful thought, this quiet darkness of the young universe, resting gently before the first stars, the cosmos drifting softly in the dark, awaiting its first light. In time, from the gentle clouds of the young universe, the first stars and galaxies were born. Slowly, drawn together by gravity, the simplest matter gathered into the first stars, kindling softly into light and ending the long dark age. And these first stars gathered into the first small galaxies, the earliest islands of light in the young cosmos. From the quiet dark, the first lights of the universe gently kindled. It is a beautiful thought, this dawn of the first stars and galaxies, the young cosmos gently filling with its first soft lights, after the long age of darkness. From these first beginnings, across billions of years, the great structure of the universe slowly gathered. The first small galaxies grew and merged, gathering into greater galaxies, and the galaxies gathered into groups and clusters, and these into the grand cosmic web. Slowly, patiently, gravity wove the matter of the cosmos into the vast structure we see today. It is a gentle thought, this slow gathering of the universe, the great structure of galaxies and clusters and the cosmic web, woven softly by gravity across the long ages, from the simplest beginnings. And so, from a single quiet beginning, the whole vast universe gently grew, across billions of years. From that first hot, dense moment, the cosmos expanded and cooled, formed its first matter, freed its first light, kindled its first stars, and wove its grand structure, all across the long ages. It is the great story of the universe, unfolding gently from its quiet beginning to the vast cosmos of today. It is a profound thought, this whole gentle history of the universe, growing softly from a single moment into everything we know, across the immense reaches of time. When we consider this great beginning, we come to understand our own place in the universe a little better. Everything we know, our world, our sun, our galaxy, and ourselves, all grew from that single quiet beginning, across billions of years. We are the distant result of the birth of the universe, gently shaped across the long ages from that first moment. It is a soothing thought, to feel connected to the very beginning of the cosmos, to know that we too are part of the great story of the universe, grown gently from its quiet dawn. And so we have begun, gently, to drift out toward the edge of the cosmos, and to wonder at the whole vast universe and its quiet beginning. We have seen the birth of the universe, and the freeing of its first light, and the gathering of its first stars and galaxies. And there is still so much more to wonder at, the vastness of the cosmos, and its farthest reaches, and its gentle future, still waiting softly ahead. But for now, let the universe turn quietly in your mind, vast and gentle and unimaginably old, as we rest a little while longer in the soft and gentle quiet of the cosmos. Let us drift now, gently, deeper into the great expansion of the universe. We have seen that the cosmos is gently expanding, its galaxies drifting apart across the ages. But there is more to wonder at in this gentle growth, more that is strange and beautiful about the expanding universe. It is not expanding into anything, and it has no center from which it grows. We will drift toward these gentle mysteries now, and wonder softly at the great and quiet expansion of the cosmos, unfolding gently in every direction across the immense reaches of space. The expansion of the universe is the gentle stretching of space itself, not the flying of galaxies through it. The galaxies are not racing outward through some fixed space. Rather, the very space between them is gently growing, stretching ever wider, carrying the galaxies gently apart as it swells. It is space itself that expands, softly and everywhere, gently increasing the distances between the galaxies. It is a subtle and beautiful thought, this expansion of space itself, the gentle swelling of the cosmos, carrying the galaxies softly apart as the very fabric of space quietly grows. We came to know of this gentle expansion by watching the distant galaxies drift away. When we study the light of faraway galaxies, we find that they are gently moving away from us, their light softly stretched by the growing space between us. And the more distant a galaxy, the faster it seems to be drifting away, carried off more swiftly by the greater span of expanding space. From these gentle observations, we came to understand that the whole universe is expanding. It is a wondrous thought, this discovery, reading the gentle expansion of the cosmos in the softly stretched light of the distant galaxies. One of the most surprising truths of the expanding universe is that it has no center. It might seem that if everything is drifting apart, there must be some center from which it all began. But this is not so. From any galaxy in the cosmos, one would see all the others drifting gently away, in every direction, just as we do. There is no special center, no single point from which the expansion flows. It is a gentle thought, this centerless expansion, the cosmos gently growing everywhere at once, with no center and no special place, the same in every direction, for every observer. Because the expansion has no center, every point in the universe sees itself, in a sense, as the still center of the growing cosmos. From our own galaxy, we see all the others drifting gently away, as though we rested at the center of the expansion. But an observer in any other galaxy would see exactly the same thing. All the galaxies drifting away from them. Every point is, in its own gentle way, a center, and none is truly the center. It is a soothing thought, this gentle equality of the expanding cosmos. Every place a center, every place at home, in the great and centerless growth of the universe. The universe also has no edge, in the way we usually imagine edges. There is no wall at the boundary of the cosmos, no place where the universe simply stops, with emptiness beyond. The universe may be finite yet without any edge, curving gently back upon itself, or it may stretch on without end. But in either case, there is no edge to reach, no boundary where the cosmos comes to a stop. It is a gentle thought, this universe without an edge, stretching softly on in every direction, with no wall and no boundary, gently boundless across its vast expanse. To imagine a universe finite yet without an edge, we might think gently of the surface of a great sphere. Upon the surface of a ball, one could travel on and on in any direction, never reaching an edge, and yet the surface is not endless, but gently curves back upon itself. The universe may be something like this, finite yet without any boundary, curving gently through dimensions we cannot easily picture. It is a beautiful thought, this gentle image, a cosmos finite yet without an edge, like the surface of a sphere, boundless yet gently curved, with no wall to ever reach. One of the most wondrous truths of the cosmos is that to look out into space is to look back in time. Because light takes time to travel across the vast distances, the light we see from a distant object left it long ago, showing us that object not as it is now, but as it was when the light set out. And so, the farther out we look, the further back in time we see. To gaze across the cosmos is to gaze gently into the past. It is a beautiful thought, this looking back in time, the vast distances of space becoming a gentle journey into the history of the cosmos. The farther out into the cosmos we gaze, the deeper into the past we see, all the way toward the beginning. The nearest galaxies we see as they were a short while ago, and the farther ones as they were long ago, and the most distant of all as they were in the youth of the universe, billions of years past. To look out to the furthest reaches is to look back toward the dawn of the cosmos. It is a wondrous thought that by gazing out across space, we can peer gently across the whole history of the universe, all the way back toward its gentle beginning. There is a limit to how far out and how far back we can see, and we call this the edge of the observable universe. Because the universe has existed for a finite span, light has only had so long to travel, and so we can only see out to a certain distance, as far as the most ancient light has reached us. Beyond that gentle horizon lies more universe, but its light has not yet had time to reach us. It is a soothing thought, this gentle edge of what we can see, the furthest reach of the ancient light, the soft horizon of the observable cosmos. This edge is not a true edge of the universe, but only the edge of what we can see. Beyond the horizon of the observable cosmos, the universe surely continues, vast and gentle, holding galaxies we cannot see, whose light has not yet reached us across the great gulf of time. The edge of the observable universe is not a boundary of the cosmos itself, but simply the gentle limit of our sight. It is a gentle thought, this soft horizon, marking not the end of the universe, but only the furthest reach of the ancient light that has had time to reach our world. Beyond the edge of what we can see, the universe stretches on, vast and gentle, far beyond our sight. There are surely countless more galaxies out there, beyond our horizon, drifting quietly in the dark, their light still traveling toward us across the ages, or too far ever to reach us at all. The cosmos beyond our sight may be vastly larger than the part we can see. It is a humbling thought, this vast universe beyond our horizon, stretching softly on far beyond the reach of our sight, holding countless galaxies we may never see, drifting quietly in the great dark. The whole universe may be far, far larger than the part we can observe. The observable cosmos, vast as it is, may be but a tiny portion of the true universe, which could stretch on for distances almost beyond meaning, far beyond our gentle horizon. The cosmos we can see may be a mere grain within a far greater whole. It is a staggering thought, this true universe, perhaps vastly larger than all we can observe, stretching softly on far beyond our sight, a great and gentle whole of which we glimpse only the smallest part. The universe may even stretch on without end, gently infinite in its extent. It may be that the cosmos has no size at all, in the way we usually think of size, but continues on forever, in every direction, endless and gently boundless. If so, there would be no farthest galaxy, no ultimate edge, only cosmos stretching softly on without end. It is a gentle and mind-softening thought, this possibility of an endless universe, stretching on forever in every direction, boundless and gentle, beyond all measure and all imagining. Whether finite or endless, the universe is vast beyond anything the mind can truly hold. The distances are so immense that light itself, the swiftest thing there is, takes billions of years to cross them, and the galaxies number beyond all counting. The scale of the cosmos stretches gently past the very limits of imagination. It is a humbling and soothing thought, this vastness of the universe, so immense that the mind can only gently gesture toward it, resting softly in the wonder of a cosmos far larger than we can ever truly grasp. Across these vast distances, light travels as the swiftest messenger, yet even it is gentle and slow against the scale of the cosmos. Light is the fastest thing in all the universe, crossing the space between the Earth and the Sun in mere minutes. And yet, against the vast distances between the galaxies, even light seems gentle and slow, taking millions and billions of years to cross the great gulfs. It is a gentle thought, this swiftest of messengers, light itself, drifting patiently across the immense reaches of the cosmos, gentle and unhurried against the vast scale of the universe. For all the stars and galaxies it holds, the universe is mostly gentle, empty space. Between the stars lie vast, quiet distances, and between the galaxies, greater gulfs still, immense reaches of nearly empty space. The matter of the cosmos, all the stars and worlds, is spread thinly through the great emptiness, gentle and rare. The universe is, in truth, mostly quiet, open space. It is a soothing thought, this gentle emptiness of the cosmos, vast quiet reaches stretching softly between the stars and galaxies. The universe mostly open, calm, and gently empty. In all that vast emptiness, the stars and worlds are precious and rare, scattered gently through the great dark. The matter of the cosmos is thinly spread, the bright things few and far between, drifting quietly through immense reaches of empty space. This makes the stars and galaxies all the more precious, gentle islands of light in a vast and quiet sea of darkness. It is a beautiful thought, this rarity of the bright things, the stars and worlds drifting as precious, gentle islands through the great emptiness of the cosmos, scattered softly across the vast dark. When we consider all of this, the universe reveals itself as vast and gentle and strange, beyond our easy imagining. It expands without a center and without an edge. It lets us look back across its whole history, and it stretches on far beyond our sight, perhaps without end. It is a cosmos of gentle mysteries, vast and quiet and beautiful. It is a soothing thought to rest softly in the wonder of such a universe, so vast and so gentle, holding its quiet mysteries across the immense reaches of space and time. And so we have drifted deeper into the great expansion of the universe and out toward the edge of what we can see. We have seen the cosmos expand without a center or an edge, and looked back in time across its vast reaches and wondered at the true universe stretching far beyond our sight. And there is still so much more to wonder at, the hidden contents of the cosmos and its gentle future, still waiting softly ahead. But for now, let the vast universe turn quietly in your mind, gently boundless and unimaginably large, as you sink a little deeper into stillness and warmth and rest. Let us drift now toward one of the gentlest mysteries of the cosmos, the question of what the universe is truly made of. When we gaze out at the stars and galaxies, we see the bright and shining things, the suns and the worlds and the glowing clouds. But these, it turns out, are only a small part of all that fills the universe. Most of the cosmos is made of things we cannot see, gentle and hidden, woven quietly through all of space. We will drift toward these gentle mysteries now and wonder softly at the true and hidden contents of the universe. The bright and shining things we see, all the stars and worlds, make up only a small fraction of the universe. Everything that glows, every star and galaxy and glowing cloud, all the ordinary matter we can see and touch, is but a gentle sliver of all that fills the cosmos. The great majority of the universe is made of other things, hidden and unseen. It is a humbling thought that all the shining things we behold, all the stars and worlds are but a small part of the whole, a gentle glimmer upon a vast and hidden sea. The ordinary matter we know, the stuff of stars and worlds and living things, is gentle and familiar. It is the matter that forms the suns and the planets, the clouds and the dust, and our own bodies too. It shines and it gathers, and it forms all the things we can see and touch across the cosmos. And yet, for all that it makes, it is only a small fraction of all that fills the universe. It is a soothing thought, this gentle, familiar matter, the stuff of everything we know, forming the bright and shining things, a small but precious part of the great cosmos. Beyond the ordinary matter lies something hidden and unseen, holding the galaxies gently together. When we watch how the stars circle within the galaxies, and how the galaxies drift within their clusters, they move as though held by far more gravity than all the visible matter could provide. There seems to be a great deal of unseen material, spread quietly through the cosmos, gently holding everything together with its gravity. It is a gentle mystery, this hidden material, cradling the galaxies softly, holding the great structure of the universe together with its quiet, invisible pull. We call this hidden material dark matter, though in truth we do not yet know what it is. It gives off no light of its own, and does not shine or glow, and so we cannot see it directly at all. We know of it only through its gentle gravity, the way it holds the galaxies and clusters together, and shapes the great structure of the cosmos. It is a gentle mystery, this dark matter, unseen and unknown, woven quietly through all of space, revealing itself only through the soft pull of its gravity. It is one of the deepest questions in all of science. There is far more of this hidden dark matter than there is of the ordinary matter we know. The unseen material outweighs all the stars and worlds and glowing clouds many times over, filling the cosmos with far more hidden matter than visible. Most of the matter in the universe, it seems, is of this gentle, unseen kind, woven quietly through all of space. It is a humbling thought that the familiar matter of stars and worlds is far outweighed by the hidden dark matter, that most of the cosmos is made of a gentle substance we cannot see. This hidden dark matter played a gentle and guiding role in shaping the universe. In the early cosmos, the dark matter gathered first under its own gravity, forming the gentle scaffolding upon which the galaxies would later gather. Drawn toward the dense strands of dark matter, the ordinary matter gently assembled into stars and galaxies, tracing the unseen pattern with their light. It is a gentle thought, this hidden material quietly shaping the cosmos, forming the soft scaffolding upon which the shining things gathered, weaving the great structure of the universe from the dark. Yet even all the matter of the cosmos, both the seen and the unseen, is not the greatest part of the universe. Beyond both the ordinary matter and the hidden dark matter lies something stranger still, filling the vast spaces of the cosmos with a gentle, unseen energy. This mysterious energy makes up the greatest part of the universe, more than all the matter combined. It is a gentle mystery, this unseen energy, filling the cosmos quietly, the largest part of the universe, and among the deepest of all its secrets, woven softly through all of space. We call this mysterious energy dark energy, and it is perhaps the deepest mystery of all. It fills the vast empty spaces of the cosmos, spread gently through all of space, and yet we do not know what it truly is. We know of it mainly through a gentle and surprising effect, the way it seems to be driving the expansion of the universe. It is a profound mystery, this dark energy, unseen and unknown, filling the cosmos quietly, the greatest part of the universe, and among the most gentle and puzzling of all its secrets. This dark energy seems to be gently driving the expansion of the universe, and even quickening it. We have found that the cosmos is not only expanding, but expanding ever faster, its growth gently speeding up across the ages. And it seems to be this mysterious dark energy, filling all of space, that gently pushes the expansion onward, quickening it softly over time. It is a gentle mystery, this dark energy driving the cosmos apart, gently quickening its expansion, carrying the galaxies softly away across the vast reaches of time. When we add it all together, we find that most of the universe is made of things we do not understand. The ordinary matter we know, the stuff of stars and worlds, is but a small fraction of the whole. A greater part is the hidden dark matter, and the greatest part of all is the mysterious dark energy, both unseen and unknown. Most of the cosmos, it seems, is a gentle mystery. It is a humbling thought that the universe is mostly made of things we cannot see and do not yet understand, that we glimpse only a small shining part of the great whole. There is something gently soothing in this great mystery, rather than troubling. The universe keeps most of itself hidden, gentle and unknown, woven quietly through all of space. And there is no sorrow in that, only wonder. We do not need to understand everything to feel at peace beneath the stars. There is a quiet comfort in knowing that the cosmos holds such gentle mysteries, patient and unhurried, most of itself still waiting softly to be understood. It is a soothing thought, this vast and gentle unknown, resting quietly all around us. These great mysteries remind us how much we still have to learn about the cosmos, and that is a comforting thought. There is always more to discover, more to understand about the hidden contents of the universe, more gentle wonders waiting in the dark. Each answer we find seems to open softly onto new questions. There is no sadness in that, only the quiet promise of more to learn. The cosmos keeps its gentle secrets, patient and unhurried, inviting us always to keep wondering, to keep gazing softly out into the great unknown. It is a gentle wonder that we have come to know of these hidden things at all. Though we cannot see the dark matter or the dark energy, we have sensed their quiet presence through their gentle effects, the way they shape the galaxies and drive the expansion of the cosmos. From these soft clues, we have come to know that most of the universe is hidden and unseen. It is a beautiful thought that through patience and gentle wondering, we have glimpsed the vast hidden contents of the cosmos, sensing the unseen through the soft traces it leaves in the visible. When we consider all that fills the universe, we behold a cosmos far richer and stranger than it appears. Beyond the bright and shining things lies a vast hidden universe, of unseen matter and mysterious energy, woven quietly through all of space. The cosmos we see is but the gentle surface of a far deeper and stranger whole. It is a profound thought, this hidden richness of the universe, the vast unseen cosmos woven quietly behind the shining things, far deeper and stranger than we could have imagined, resting gently all around us. And yet amid all these hidden mysteries, the bright and shining things remain precious and beautiful. The stars and galaxies and glowing clouds, the small part of the cosmos we can see, are gentle islands of light in a vast and mysterious sea. They are all the more precious for their rarity, gentle glimmers upon the great hidden whole. It is a soothing thought, these bright and shining things, precious and beautiful, glowing softly against the vast hidden cosmos, gentle islands of light we can see and wonder at, in a universe mostly hidden and unknown. When you gaze up at the stars now, you may think gently of all that lies hidden between and beyond them. Woven quietly through all the space around the stars is the unseen dark matter, and filling the vast emptiness is the mysterious dark energy, both hidden and unknown. The night sky holds far more than the shining things you can see, a vast and gentle mystery, woven softly through all of space. It is a soothing thought, this hidden cosmos all around us, vast and gentle and unseen, woven quietly through the night sky, holding most of the universe softly out of sight. There is a deep and gentle humility in knowing how much of the cosmos remains hidden from us. We are small beings on a small world, and yet we have glimpsed the vast hidden universe, sensing the unseen through its gentle effects. And we have come to know, with a soft humility, that most of the cosmos is still a mystery, still waiting quietly to be understood. It is a beautiful thing, this gentle humility, resting softly in the wonder of a universe mostly hidden and unknown, most of its secrets still gently beyond our reach. And so we have drifted through the gentle mystery of what the universe is made of, and glimpsed the vast hidden cosmos woven quietly through all of space. We have wondered at the unseen dark matter, and the mysterious dark energy, and how most of the universe remains gently unknown. And there is still so much more to wonder at, the age of the cosmos, and its gentle future, still waiting softly ahead. But for now, let the hidden universe rest quietly in your mind, vast and gentle and mysterious, as you sink a little deeper into stillness, and warmth, and rest. Let us drift now toward the great age of the universe, and the vast reaches of cosmic time. We have wondered at the vastness of the cosmos in space, its immense distances stretching beyond our sight. But the universe is vast in time as well, unimaginably old, having existed for a span of years so great it stretches the mind gently beyond its limits. We will drift toward that vast age now, and wonder softly at the immense reaches of cosmic time, across which the universe has gently unfolded, from its quiet beginning to today. The universe is astonishingly old, having existed for well over 13 billion years. From its quiet beginning to the present day, the cosmos has been gently unfolding for a span of time so vast, it is difficult to truly imagine. 13 billion years and more have passed since the universe began, across which the stars and galaxies formed and the great structure gathered. It is a humbling thought, this great age of the cosmos, over 13 billion years old, having gently unfolded across a span of time almost beyond all imagining. We have come to know the age of the universe through patient and gentle study. By measuring how swiftly the cosmos is expanding, and by studying the most ancient light and the oldest stars, we have gently traced the universe back to its beginning and reckoned its great age. From these patient observations, woven carefully together, we have learned how long the cosmos has existed. It is a wondrous thought that through gentle study, we have come to know the very age of the universe, reckoning the span of time since its quiet beginning, across more than 13 billion years. The span of 13 billion years is so vast that it is almost impossible to truly hold in the mind. Against such a span, a human lifetime is but the briefest flicker, and all of human history a mere gentle moment. The universe has existed for so long that our own kind has been present for only the tiniest sliver of its story, a soft breath at the very end. It is a humbling thought, this vastness of cosmic time, so immense that all of human history is but a gentle instant within it, a soft flicker at the close of a long and patient age. To gently grasp the vastness of cosmic time, it helps to imagine the whole history of the universe compressed into a single year. If the birth of the cosmos were the first moment of that year, then the stars and galaxies would form across its early months, and our own sun and earth would appear only late in the year, and all of human history would fit within the final few gentle moments before midnight, the merest flicker at the very end. It is a soothing thought, this gentle image, the whole vast history of the cosmos as a single year, with our own story but a soft breath at its close. In such a cosmic year, our own kind would appear only in the final moments before midnight. All of recorded history, all the ages of human civilization, would fit within the last gentle seconds of that great year, a soft flicker at the very end. We are, in the vast story of the cosmos, a very recent and gentle arrival, present for only the briefest instant of its long unfolding. It is a humbling and soothing thought, our own gentle place at the very close of the cosmic year, a soft breath at the end of a vast and patient age. There is a deep and gentle peace in this vastness of cosmic time. The universe has unfolded so slowly and so patiently, across billions of years, utterly unhurried, gently taking its time to form the stars and galaxies and worlds. Against such patient vastness, the rush of any single day may gently soften and fade. It is a soothing thought, this great patience of the cosmos, unfolding so slowly and so gently across the immense reaches of time, reminding us to rest and to let the hurry of our own small moment gently ease away. To map the universe across such vast distances, we have found gentle and clever ways to measure the cosmos. It is no simple thing to gauge distances so immense that light takes billions of years to cross them. And so we have developed a gentle series of methods, each building softly upon the last, to reckon the vast distances to the stars and galaxies. Through these patient means, we have slowly measured the great scale of the cosmos. It is a wondrous thought, this gentle measuring of the universe, reckoning its immense distances through patient and clever means, across the vast reaches of space. We begin measuring the cosmos with the nearest stars, and gently build outward from there. For the closest stars, we can gauge their distances by careful and direct means, watching how they gently shift against the more distant stars as our world moves. From these nearest measurements, we build outward, using brighter and more distant markers to reach ever farther across the cosmos. It is a gentle process, this measuring of the universe, beginning with the nearest stars and reaching softly outward, step by patient step, across the vast reaches of space. To reach the more distant galaxies, we use certain gentle stars and brilliant events as measuring marks. Some stars pulse in a steady rhythm, tied to their true brightness, and certain brilliant stellar deaths shine with a consistent glow. And by these gentle signs we can reckon the distances to faraway galaxies. Each is a gentle measuring mark, scattered across the cosmos, helping us gauge the vast distances. It is a beautiful thought, this measuring of the cosmos, using the gentle pulsing of stars and the brilliant glow of distant events to reckon the immense distances to the faraway galaxies. Through these patient methods, woven gently together, we have measured the vast scale of the universe, building outward from the nearest stars to the most distant galaxies. Step by patient step, we have slowly reckoned the immense distances of the cosmos and mapped its great scale. From this gentle measuring, the true vastness of the universe has slowly revealed itself. It is a wondrous thought, this patient reckoning of the cosmos, measuring its immense scale step by gentle step, slowly revealing the true vastness of the universe across the vast reaches of space. The distances we have measured are so vast that we reckon them in the time it takes light to cross them. So immense are the gulfs between the stars and galaxies that we measure them not in ordinary distances, but in light years, the great distance that light travels in a single year. The nearest stars lie a few light years away, and the distant galaxies millions and billions. It is a gentle thought, this measuring of the cosmos in light years, reckoning the vast distances by the patient journey of light, gently gauging the immense scale of the universe. When we consider the vastness of the cosmos in both space and time, we behold a universe immense almost beyond all imagining. It stretches for billions of light years in every direction, and it has existed for billions of years, gently unfolding across spans of space and time, so vast, they stretch the mind softly past its limits. The universe is immense in every way, in distance and in age alike. It is a humbling and soothing thought, this vastness of the cosmos in space and time, so immense that the mind can only gently gesture toward it, resting softly in the wonder of its scale. There is a deep and gentle beauty in how we have come to measure such a vast cosmos. From our small world, we have reached out with patience and gentle thought, and reckoned the immense distances to the stars and galaxies, and the great age of the universe itself. It is a quiet triumph, this measuring of the cosmos from afar, won through patience and wonder. There is something profoundly moving in it, in coming to know the vast scale of the universe, so immense and so far beyond our reach, through the gentle and patient work of careful minds. When you gaze up at the stars now, you may think gently of the vast distances their light has crossed, and the vast time it has traveled. The light of the stars has journeyed across immense gulfs of space, for years or centuries or ages, to reach your eyes tonight. To gaze at the stars is to receive the ancient light of a vast and patient cosmos, gently arriving after its long journey. It is a soothing thought, this ancient starlight, crossing the vast distances and the vast reaches of time, arriving gently at your world, a soft messenger from the immense and patient universe. It is a gentle privilege to live at a time when we have come to know the vastness of the cosmos. For nearly all of human history, the true scale and age of the universe were entirely unknown, beyond even imagining. And now in our own time, we have measured its immense distances and reckoned its great age, coming to know the true vastness of the cosmos. It is a quiet privilege to live at a time when the great scale of the universe has been revealed to us, to gaze out and understand a little of its immense reaches. There is a deep and gentle humility in knowing our own small place within such a vast cosmos. Against the immense distances and the vast reaches of time, our own world and our own moment are gentle and small, a soft flicker in a vast and patient universe. And there is no sorrow in that, only wonder, and a quiet sense of belonging to something so immense and so beautiful. It is a soothing thought, this gentle humility, resting softly within the vast cosmos, our small and precious place in a universe immense beyond all imagining. And so we have drifted through the great age of the universe, and the vast reaches of cosmic time, and the gentle ways we have measured the immense scale of the cosmos. We have wondered at the billions of years since the beginning, and the vastness of deep time, and the patient reckoning of the great distances. And there is still so much more to wonder at, the gentle future of the universe, and our place within it, still waiting softly ahead. But for now, let the vast cosmos turn quietly in your mind, immense in space and time alike, as you sink a little deeper into stillness, and warmth and rest. Let us drift now, gently toward the far future of the universe, across spans of time almost beyond imagining. We have wondered at the beginning of the cosmos, and its vastness, and its great age, but the story of the universe reaches forward as well, into a deep future so distant it stretches the mind softly past its limits. We will drift gently toward that far future now, not with sorrow, but with quiet wonder, and watch, in our minds, the long, slow journey of the cosmos into the ages yet to come. The universe we have seen is gently expanding, and that expansion is slowly quickening across the ages. The vast space between the galaxies is not only growing, but growing ever faster, gently carried onward by the mysterious dark energy that fills the cosmos. As the ages pass, the expansion will continue to quicken, carrying the galaxies apart ever more swiftly. It is a gentle thought, this quickening expansion, the cosmos gently growing ever faster, carrying the galaxies softly apart across the immense reaches of time yet to come. Because of this quickening expansion, the distant galaxies will slowly drift beyond our sight. As the space between the galaxies grows ever faster, the faraway ones will drift so far away, so swiftly, that their light can no longer reach us, gently fading from view. One by one, across the vast ages, the distant galaxies will slip beyond our horizon, carried off by the ever-quickening cosmos. It is a gentle thought, these distant galaxies slowly drifting beyond our sight, fading softly into the deep as the universe gently expands, across spans of time almost beyond imagining. In the far future, the cosmos visible to any observer will grow gentler and more solitary. As the faraway galaxies drift beyond sight, those who might gaze out from a galaxy in the deep future would see only their own galaxy, and perhaps its nearest companions, alone in the dark. The vast cosmos of countless galaxies would have drifted gently out of view. It is a soft and gentle thought, this quieter future cosmos, each galaxy resting more alone in the dark, the great gathering of galaxies gently carried apart across the immense ages. Yet even as the wider cosmos drifts apart, the nearest galaxies will remain gently gathered together. The galaxies bound closely by their mutual gravity, like our own and its neighbors, will stay together even as the universe expands around them, drifting onward as gentle families. Our own galaxy and its nearest companions will remain close, held softly by gravity across the ages. It is a soothing thought that our galaxy will keep its gentle family near, even as the wider cosmos gently drifts apart, drifting onward together into the deep future. Across these same vast ages, the universe will slowly grow dimmer as its stars gently fade. As the ages pass, the gas from which stars form will slowly be used up, and fewer new stars will be born, and the light of the cosmos will gently diminish. The bright young stars will slowly fade, and the universe will glow ever more softly with the gentle light of its aging suns. It is a gentle thought, this slow dimming of the cosmos across the ages, its star-making softly fading, its light gently easing toward a calmer, dimmer glow in the deep future. In the deep future, long after the last stars have faded, the universe will be left to gentle remnants and quiet dark. The cooling embers of dead stars and the dense remnants and the silent black holes will remain, drifting through a darkening cosmos, all that endures of the great ages of starlight. The universe will rest in a soft and gentle quiet, its brilliant ages behind it. It is a soft thought of a cosmos resting in the care of these gentle remnants, drifting quietly through the dark, long after the starlight has faded, in the deep future of the universe. Even the black holes, the most patient of all, will in the very deepest future gently fade. Across spans of time so vast they can barely be named, the black holes will slowly release the faintest whisper of energy, growing imperceptibly lighter, until at last, after an almost endless wait, even they will gently fade away. It is a slow and peaceful ending, unimaginably distant, the softest of farewells. It is a gentle thought of even these most patient objects gently taking their leave, in the deepest future of all, across spans of time almost beyond meaning. In the deepest future of all, the universe may settle into a vast and gentle stillness. After the stars have faded and the remnants have gone, the cosmos may rest in a deep and lasting calm, a vast quiet stretching softly on, spread thin and cool across the immense reaches of space. It will not be a sad ending, but a gentle one, the universe settling slowly into peaceful stillness, its great work gently complete. It is a soothing thought, this far future calm of the cosmos, resting gently in the quiet after the long and beautiful ages of light. This far distant future is unimaginably far ahead, beyond any span we can truly grasp. It lies not millions, nor billions, but countless ages in the future, so far ahead that the entire history of the universe so far is but the briefest beginning. There is no need to feel any sorrow for it. So gentle and so distant is it. It is a soft and peaceful thought. This far future of the cosmos, resting so unimaginably far ahead that it carries no weight at all, only a quiet sense of the vastness of time yet to come. And it helps to remember that we live now in a bright and vibrant age of the universe, when the cosmos is full of light. All around us, countless galaxies are shining, and new stars are being born, and the universe blazes with the light of suns beyond counting, still close enough to see. We are here in the bright and vigorous time of the cosmos, when starlight fills the dark. It is a gentle privilege to live in this bright age of the universe, surrounded by its countless lights, in this brilliant chapter of the cosmos. When we gaze out at the universe now, then, we are beholding the cosmos in a precious and vibrant age. The galaxies we can see, scattered across the dark in their countless billions, are still close enough to behold, still bright with stars, still gathered into the grand structure of the cosmos. We are fortunate to look out and see such a universe, rich with light, in this bright chapter of its long story. It is a soothing thought that the universe we behold is the cosmos of its bright and vibrant age, rich with light, for us to wonder at now. There is a gentle beauty in the whole long story of the universe, from its bright beginning to its quiet far future. The cosmos began in a single quiet moment, blazed with light across the ages, formed its stars and galaxies and worlds, and will, in the deep future, drift gently toward a peaceful stillness. It is a vast and gentle arc, this story of the universe, unfolding across spans of time almost beyond meaning. And we are here in the middle of it, in the bright age, gazing out at the cosmos. There is a deep wonder in that, in beholding the great story of the universe, and our gentle place within it. The far future of the universe reminds us, gently, of the vastness of time yet to come. The ages across which the cosmos will drift and fade are so immense that they stretch the mind beyond its limits, spans of time almost without end. Against such vastness, our own moment is but the briefest flicker, and yet it is a precious one, here in the bright age of the universe. It is a soothing thought, to rest within the great vastness of cosmic time, a gentle flicker of awareness in a universe unfolding across ages, almost beyond imagining. And there is comfort in knowing that the universe will endure so gently for so very long, far beyond any time we need ever imagine. The cosmos will keep drifting, and the galaxies turning, and the stars shining, for spans of time almost without end, before the far future quiet gently arrives. That distant stillness is so unimaginably far ahead that for all the ages we could ever conceive, the universe will keep shining softly. It is a deeply soothing thought, this near-endless drifting of the cosmos, enduring gently across vast ages, far beyond the reach of any worry or any time we know. So as you rest tonight, you may hold this gentle thought, that the universe is shining now, and will endure for ages almost beyond counting. We live in the bright age of the cosmos, surrounded by countless lights, and the universe will drift on far longer than we could ever imagine. The far future quiet is unimaginably distant, and for now, there is only the gentle glow of the cosmos, filling the dark, shining softly down upon your rest. There is nothing to do but lie beneath that light, and drift gently towards sleep. There is a deep and gentle peace in the whole long journey of the universe, from its beginning to its far future. It began softly, blazed with light, and will one day rest in a gentle stillness, unfolding calmly across the immense reaches of time. There is nothing frightening in it, only a vast and gentle beauty, a great and patient story of light and rest. It is a soothing thought, this whole gentle arc of the cosmos, unfolding softly from its beginning to its quiet future. A great and peaceful story across the vast ages of time. And so we have drifted gently to the far future of the universe, and seen its long, slow journey into the deep, unimaginably distant and deeply peaceful. We have seen the cosmos gently expand, and the galaxies drift softly apart, and the universe settle at last toward a gentle stillness. And there is still more to wonder at. Our place within the vast cosmos, and the wonder of understanding it at all, still waiting softly ahead. But for now, let the universe drift quietly in your mind, unfolding gently across the ages, as you sink a little deeper into stillness and warmth and rest. Let us drift now, gently toward a quiet reflection on our own place within the vast universe. We have wandered far tonight, out toward the edge of the cosmos, through its beginning and its vastness and its far future. And now, as our journey nears its close, let us rest for a while in the gentle wonder of where we fit within it all, this small world of ours, drifting in the immense and beautiful universe. It is a humbling and soothing thing to consider, our gentle place in the vast cosmos. Let us gently trace our own address within the great universe. Out from our small world, we rest upon the earth, a small world circling an ordinary star. That star, our sun, drifts within a great galaxy, the Milky Way, among its hundreds of billions of stars. Our galaxy drifts within a small group of galaxies, and that group within the grand cosmic web, spanning the whole universe. It is a soothing thought, this gentle address, our small world nested softly within star and galaxy, and group, and the grand web of the cosmos. Against the vastness of this great cosmos, our own world is gentle and small almost beyond imagining. Our Earth is but a tiny speck, circling one ordinary star, among the billions of stars in one galaxy, among the billions of galaxies of the universe. In the great scale of the cosmos, our world is a mere gentle grain, a soft mote of dust in the immense dark. It is a humbling thought, this smallness of our world, a tiny speck within the vast cosmos, gentle and small against the immense reaches of the universe. If we could drift far out into the cosmos and look back, our world would appear as the faintest of pale specks. From the distant reaches of space, the Earth would be but a tiny point of light, a gentle pale dot, almost lost against the vast dark. All the world we know, all its lands and oceans and living things, would be gathered into that single faint speck, drifting quietly in the immense cosmos. It is a soft and moving thought, our whole world is a gentle pale dot, a tiny point of light in the vast dark, holding everything we have ever known. And yet, upon that gentle pale speck, rests everything we have ever known or loved. All the world, all its people, all its living things, all its history and beauty and wonder, are gathered upon that single small world, drifting in the vast cosmos. Everything that has ever mattered to us rests upon that tiny pale dot, a gentle island of life in the immense dark. It is a profoundly moving thought, that our whole world, holding all we have ever known, is gathered upon that single gentle speck, drifting quietly through the vast universe. This gentle smallness need not make us feel lost, but may instead make our world feel all the more precious. Against the vast dark cosmos, our small world is a gentle island of life and beauty, a precious and rare thing, drifting quietly in the immense dark. Its very smallness makes it all the more worthy of our care and our wonder, this gentle world that holds us. It is a soothing thought, this preciousness of our small world, a gentle island of life in the vast cosmos, all the more precious for its rarity, all the more worthy of our gentle care. Our world is, as far as we know, a rare and gentle haven of life in the vast cosmos. In all the immense reaches of the universe we have explored, we have found no other world quite like our own, no other gentle haven of life. Our Earth may be a precious rarity, a soft and living world amid the vast dark, all the more wondrous for its gentleness. It is a beautiful thought, this rare and living world, a gentle haven amid the vast cosmos, precious and unique, as far as we yet know, holding its living beauty softly in the immense dark. And yet, for all our smallness, we are deeply connected to the vast cosmos, made of its very substance. The atoms that make up our world and our bodies were forged in the stars, ages ago, and gathered gently into us. We are not strangers gazing at the universe from outside, but a part of it, born of its stars, made of its stuff, belonging to it completely. It is a soothing thought that for all our smallness, we belong so deeply to the vast cosmos, woven gently into the great universe, made of its very substance. We are, in a gentle sense, the universe come to know itself. We are made of the same stuff as the stars and galaxies, gathered for a time into living, wondering form. And through us, the cosmos gazes gently upon itself, wondering at its own vastness, marveling at its own beauty. It is a profound and beautiful thought, that the universe has given rise to beings who can look out upon it and wonder, that through us, the cosmos gently comes to know itself. We are a small and gentle part of the universe, looking softly back upon itself. When we gaze up at the night sky, then, we are gazing out upon our own vast home, the stars and galaxies, and all the space between, and all the hidden cosmos beyond, are our home, in the deepest sense, the great universe of which we are a gentle part. To look up at the night sky is to behold our own immense and beautiful home, stretching out across the dark, holding our small world softly within it. It is a soothing thought, this vast cosmic home of ours, the whole great universe, holding us gently within its immense reaches. When we consider our place in the vast cosmos, the small worries of any single day may gently soften and fade. Against the immense universe, so vast and so ancient, our troubles can seem to grow gently smaller and easier to set down. The cosmos has drifted through the ages for billions of years, utterly untroubled by the cares of any one night. There is a quiet comfort in that perspective, in remembering how small and passing our worries truly are against the great and gentle backdrop of the universe. There is room, in all that vastness, for every worry to soften. There is a gentle freedom, too, in feeling so small within such a vast and beautiful cosmos. To be a small part of something so immense and so wondrous is not a burden, but a gift, a gentle release from the weight of taking ourselves too seriously. We are free simply to wonder, to gaze out at the universe and marvel, without needing to be the center of it all. It is a soothing thought, this gentle freedom of smallness, resting softly within the vast and beautiful cosmos, free simply to wonder at its beauty. Our smallness also makes our moments of connection and beauty all the more precious. In such a vast and ancient cosmos, the gentle things of our small world, the beauty, the love, the wonder, become all the more precious and rare. That such gentle things exist at all, upon a small world, in the vast dark, is a quiet miracle worth cherishing. It is a soothing thought, this preciousness of the gentle things, all the more meaningful against the vast cosmos, the soft beauty of our small world shining all the brighter in the immense dark. It is a gentle privilege, too, to be able to contemplate our place in the cosmos at all. We are small beings on a small world, and yet we can look out upon the vast universe and understand a little of it, and feel our gentle place within it. That we can do this at all is a quiet marvel, a precious gift. There is something profoundly beautiful in it, in our capacity to gaze upon the vast cosmos and to know, however gently, our own small place within the great and beautiful whole. So as you rest tonight, you may hold this gentle thought of your own quiet place within the vast universe. You are a small and precious part of the great cosmos, made of its substance, drifting on a gentle world in the immense dark, gently wondering at its beauty. There is a deep peace in that, in knowing your gentle place in the vast universe, belonging to it completely, held softly within its great and beautiful whole. There is nothing to do but rest, here in your gentle place in the cosmos. When you feel yourself small beneath the vastness of the universe, you may also feel yourself gently held. The same great cosmos that holds the countless stars and galaxies holds you too, woven into its grand and beautiful whole, a real and gentle part of it. You are not lost in the vastness, but held gently within it, belonging to the great universe completely. It is a soothing thought, this sense of being gently held within the vast cosmos, a small and precious part of the great and beautiful whole, resting softly in the universe. There is a deep and gentle peace in feeling so connected to the vast universe. We are woven into it, made of its substance, drifting on a gentle world, gently wondering at its beauty. We belong to the great cosmos completely, and it holds us softly, here on our small world, beneath the vast and beautiful universe. It is a profound comfort, this belonging, this gentle connection to the immense and beautiful cosmos, drifting quietly through the dark. There is a deep rest to be found in it, a soft and gentle peace. And so we have rested, gently, in a quiet reflection on our place within the vast universe. We have traced our gentle address in the cosmos and felt the smallness and preciousness of our world and the deep comfort of belonging to the great whole. And there is still a little more to wonder at, the gentle question of life in the cosmos and the wonder of understanding it at all, still waiting softly ahead. But for now, let your gentle place in the vast universe rest softly in your mind, small and precious and gently held, as you sink a little deeper into stillness and warmth and rest. Let us drift now toward one of the gentlest and most beautiful questions of all, whether we are alone in the vast universe. In all the immense cosmos, with its countless stars and worlds, we may gently wonder whether life has arisen elsewhere, whether other beings gaze out from distant worlds, wondering just as we do. It is one of the deepest and most wondrous questions we can ask, and it drifts quietly with us as we wander toward the edge of the cosmos. We will rest gently with that question now, softly and without any need for an answer. The universe holds a number of worlds, almost beyond all imagining. Each galaxy holds billions of stars, and many of those stars hold worlds of their own, and there are billions of galaxies across the cosmos. When we gather it all together, the number of worlds climbs gently beyond all meaning, more than we could ever begin to count. It is a staggering thought, this vast multitude of worlds, scattered across the countless galaxies of the universe, more than all the grains of sand on all the shores of our own gentle world. Among so many worlds, it is gentle to wonder how many might be soft and hospitable, like our own. Surely, among the countless worlds of the cosmos, some rest in gentle places where water might flow, where conditions might be soft enough for life to arise. Billions of gentle worlds may drift across the universe, each one perhaps a quiet possibility for life. It is a hopeful and soothing thought that gentle worlds like ours may be scattered across the cosmos, countless soft havens where life might perhaps have taken hold, drifting quietly among the stars. If gentle, living worlds are truly so common, then the universe may hold a great many places where life could arise. We do not know how often life takes hold, or whether it is common or rare, or whether we are alone. But if there are billions of soft, watery worlds, then there are billions of gentle chances, scattered across the cosmos, for life to gently begin. It is a profound and beautiful possibility to hold, that among the countless worlds, life may have stirred in many places, or may yet stir in ages to come. If life does exist out there, it might be wonderfully different from anything we know. Life on a distant world might be built in unfamiliar ways, suited to its own strange conditions, its own air and warmth and chemistry. It might dwell in deep oceans, or beneath thick skies, or in places we would never think to look. We cannot know what forms it might take, or how gentle and strange it might be. It is a beautiful thought that the cosmos might hold living things of endless variety, scattered quietly among the countless worlds, each suited gently to its own distant home. We search for signs of life among the stars in gentle and patient ways. We study the atmospheres of distant worlds, watching for the faint traces that life might leave in the air. And we listen quietly to the cosmos for any gentle signal that might come from a distant civilization. It is a soft and patient search, full of quiet hope, reaching gently out across the vast cosmos. It is a beautiful thought, this gentle searching, watching and listening softly across the stars, hopeful to one day find some sign that we are not alone in the vast universe. So far, the cosmos has kept its gentle silence, and we have found no clear sign of others. Across all our searching, we have not yet found life beyond our own world, nor heard any clear signal from the stars. And yet the silence is not necessarily lonely, for we have searched only the smallest corner of the vast cosmos, for only the briefest of times. The universe is immense, and our searching has only just begun. It is a gentle thought that the quiet for now may simply mean that we have not yet looked far enough in so vast a cosmos. There is a deep and gentle wonder in simply wondering whether we are alone. The question has no certain answer yet, and perhaps will not for a very long time. But to ask it, and to search the vast cosmos for a reply, is one of the most beautiful things we do. It draws our gaze gently outward, toward the countless worlds, and reminds us how vast and full of possibility the universe truly is. It is a soothing thought, this gentle wondering, the beautiful question drifting softly with us, lifting our eyes toward the stars and the countless worlds among them. If we ever did find that we are not alone, it would be among the most profound discoveries in all of human history. To learn that life has arisen elsewhere, that somewhere among the countless worlds another living thing stirs, or another mind gazes out, would change forever how we see ourselves and our place in the cosmos. It would connect our small world to the wider universe in a way nothing else ever could. It is a soft and hopeful thing to imagine, that one gentle day, we might learn that the cosmos holds other life, and that we are not alone. And if it should turn out that we are alone, that too holds a gentle kind of meaning. Should life prove rare, and our own world a precious rarity, then our gentle world becomes all the more wondrous, a rare and living haven amid the vast dark, And if life is common, then the cosmos is gently filled with living things, and we are part of a vast and living universe. Either way, there is wonder, and either way there is comfort. It is a soothing thought that whichever is true, our own gentle world remains a place of deep beauty and preciousness. There is a gentle comfort in the very search itself, whatever it may find. To wonder whether we are alone, and to search the vast cosmos for an answer, is one of the most human things we do. Whether we find life out there or not, the search connects us gently to the wider universe, and reminds us how vast and full of possibility the cosmos truly is. It is a soothing thought, this gentle search, reaching softly out across the stars, connecting us to the vast universe, whether or not it ever finds a reply. When you gaze up at the stars now, you may wonder gently whether, somewhere out there, others might be gazing back. Among the countless worlds of the vast cosmos, drifting around the countless stars, there may be other beings, on other worlds, looking up at their own night skies, wondering just as you do. We cannot know, but it is a beautiful thing, simply to wonder, to feel gently connected to the vast cosmos, and whatever life it may hold. It is a soothing thought, this gentle wondering, gazing softly up at the stars, and wondering whether, somewhere, others might be gazing back. Whatever the truth, the vast cosmos is filled with gentle possibility, and that is a beautiful thing to hold. Among the countless worlds, scattered across the countless galaxies, there is room for endless wonder, endless possibility, endless gentle questions. The universe is so vast and so full of worlds that almost anything might be possible, somewhere in its immense reaches. It is a soothing thought, this vast cosmos of gentle possibility, holding countless worlds and countless wonders, more than we could ever imagine, drifting quietly across the immense dark. There is a deep and gentle beauty in a universe so vast that it holds such possibility. That the cosmos is so immense, so full of worlds and wonders, means that it is also full of gentle possibility, full of room for life and beauty and wonder to arise. It is a universe rich with possibility, gentle and vast and full of promise. It is a soothing thought, this cosmos so vast and so full of possibility, holding countless worlds and countless gentle wonders, a universe rich with promise, drifting quietly through the immense dark. And whether or not the cosmos holds other life, our own gentle world remains a precious wonder within it. For all the countless worlds of the vast universe, ours is the one we know, the one that holds us, the one that gave us life. It drifts among the countless others, one small world among an immense many, yet precious beyond measure to us. It is a soothing thought, this gentle world of ours, a precious wonder amid the vast cosmos, holding our lives softly in the immense dark, the one small world we call home. So as you rest tonight, you may hold this gentle question softly in your mind of whether we are alone in the vast cosmos. There is no need for an answer, only the quiet wonder of asking, of feeling gently connected to the vast universe and whatever life it may hold. Among the countless worlds, anything might be possible, and that is a beautiful thing to drift upon as sleep draws near. It is a soothing thought, this gentle question, resting softly with you as you sink towards sleep beneath the countless stars and the worlds that may drift among them. There is a deep and gentle peace in holding such a question without needing to answer it. We may wonder whether we are alone and search the vast cosmos and simply rest in the beautiful mystery of it without any need for certainty. There is a quiet comfort in the wondering itself, in the gentle openness of the question, drifting softly with us through the vast universe. It is a soothing thought, this gentle resting in mystery, holding the beautiful question softly, without any need for an answer, as we drift gently towards sleep. And so we have rested, gently, with one of the most beautiful questions of all, whether we are alone in the vast cosmos. We have wondered at the countless worlds, and the gentle search for life, and the quiet comfort of the question, whatever its answer. And there is still a little more to wonder at, the wonder of understanding the universe at all, and a gentle gathering of all we have seen, still waiting softly ahead. But for now, let the gentle question rest quietly in your mind, soft and open, and full of wonder, as you sink a little deeper into stillness, and warmth and rest. Let us drift now toward a quiet and beautiful wonder, that such a vast universe can be understood at all. We are small beings on a small world, and yet we have come to understand a great deal about the immense cosmos, its beginning, its vastness, its contents, and its gentle future. That we can grasp any of it, from our small corner of the universe, is a quiet marvel worth resting upon. We will drift gently toward that wonder now, and marvel softly at the strange and beautiful fact that the cosmos can be known. It is a gentle marvel that the universe is understandable at all, that it follows patterns we can grasp. The cosmos is not a chaos, but a great and orderly whole, unfolding according to gentle patterns and laws that we can slowly come to understand. From the smallest pieces of matter to the grandest galaxies, the universe follows a deep and gentle order. It is a wondrous thought, this understandability of the cosmos, that the vast universe follows patterns we can grasp, gentle and orderly, waiting softly to be understood. Even more wondrous is that we, small beings on a small world, can come to understand these patterns. From our tiny corner of the cosmos, using patient thought and gentle observation, we have come to grasp the deep order of the universe, its beginning, its expansion, its vast scale, and more. That such small beings can understand such a vast cosmos is a quiet miracle. It is a beautiful thought, this capacity of ours, small and gentle, to understand the immense universe, reaching out with patient thought to grasp the deep order of the cosmos. We have come to understand the cosmos slowly and patiently, across the generations. No single person could grasp the whole universe alone, but across the ages, patiently, we have gathered our understanding together, each generation building gently upon the last. Slowly, softly, our knowledge of the cosmos has grown, woven together across the generations. It is a soothing thought, this patient gathering of understanding, built gently across the ages, each generation adding softly to our knowledge of the vast and beautiful universe. We understand the cosmos not by traveling to it, but by gently reading the light it sends us. We cannot journey to the distant stars and galaxies, and yet, from the faint light that crosses the vast dark to reach us, we have learned a remarkable amount about the universe. In that gentle light is written the story of the cosmos, waiting to be read by patient eyes. It is a beautiful thought, this reading of the universe in its light, coming to understand the vast cosmos from across the immense dark, through the soft light it sends gently to our world. There is something deeply moving in coming to understand a cosmos so far beyond our reach. We will never travel to most of the universe, never touch the distant stars, never walk among the faraway galaxies, and yet, through patient thought and gentle observation, we have come to understand a great deal about them, reaching out across the vast dark with the mind alone. It is a profoundly moving thought, this understanding one so gently, coming to know the vast cosmos, so far beyond our reach, through patience and wonder alone. And yet, for all we have come to understand, the cosmos still holds deep mysteries, and this is a comforting thought. We do not know what most of the universe is made of, nor what came before the beginning, nor whether we are alone, nor how the deepest workings of the cosmos truly fit together. Much remains gently unknown, waiting softly to be understood. It is a soothing thought that the universe keeps such deep mysteries, patient and unhurried, most of itself still waiting gently to be known, inviting us always to keep wondering. There is a gentle beauty in these remaining mysteries, rather than any sorrow. Each thing we do not yet understand is a gentle invitation to keep wondering, a soft door still waiting to be opened. The unknown is not a burden, but a gift, a promise of more beauty and wonder still to discover in the cosmos. It is a soothing thought, this beauty of the unknown, the deep mysteries of the universe drifting gently before us, inviting us softly onward, promising more wonder still to come, across the vast reaches of the cosmos. We do not need to understand everything to feel at peace beneath the stars. There is a gentle comfort in the mystery itself, in knowing that the cosmos holds wonders still beyond our grasp, patient and unhurried, waiting quietly to be understood a little more in time. Tonight, there is nothing to solve and nothing to grasp, only the soft pleasure of wondering at the vast and beautiful universe. It is a soothing thought, this gentle peace amid mystery, resting softly beneath the stars, without any need to understand it all, simply wondering at the beautiful cosmos. It is a gentle privilege to live at a time when we understand as much of the cosmos as we do. For nearly all of human history, the true nature of the universe was almost entirely unknown, beyond even imagining. And now, in our own time, we have come to understand its beginning, its vastness, its contents, and its gentle future, more than any who came before. It is a quiet privilege to live at a time when so much of the cosmos has been revealed, to gaze out and understand a little of the vast universe. And there is a deep and gentle wonder in simply being able to contemplate the cosmos at all, that we can look out upon the vast universe and wonder at it and come to understand a little of it is a quiet marvel, a precious gift. We are small beings, and yet the whole vast cosmos can live, in a sense, within our gentle wondering. It is a beautiful thought, this capacity to contemplate the universe, to hold the vast cosmos softly in the mind, to wonder at its beauty from our small and gentle world. When we understand the cosmos, we are, in a gentle sense, the universe coming to know itself. We are made of the same stuff as the stars and galaxies, and through us the cosmos gazes upon itself and comes gently to understand its own nature. The universe, through our gentle wondering, slowly comes to know itself. It is a profound and beautiful thought, that in understanding the cosmos, we are the universe come to know itself, gazing softly upon its own vastness, wondering gently at its own beauty, through our small and gentle minds. There is a deep and gentle beauty in this, that the cosmos has given rise to beings who can understand it. From the vast and ancient universe, across billions of years, arose small beings who can look out upon it and grasp its gentle order and wonder at its beauty. That the cosmos should come to know itself in this way is a quiet marvel. It is a soothing thought, this gentle wonder, that the vast universe has brought forth beings who can understand it, that the cosmos gazes softly upon itself through our gentle wondering. When you gaze up at the stars now, you may feel this gentle wonder, that you can understand a little of what you behold. The vast cosmos stretching above you is not entirely a mystery, but a great and orderly whole, of which you can grasp a gentle part. And in your gazing and wondering, the universe comes softly to know itself. It is a soothing thought, this gentle understanding, gazing up at the vast cosmos and grasping a little of its beauty, the universe coming gently to know itself through your quiet wondering. There is a profound comfort in feeling so connected to the cosmos, not only made of its substance, but able to understand it. We are woven into the universe, made of its stuff, and able to grasp its gentle order and wonder at its beauty. We belong to the cosmos completely, and we can come to know it gently and patiently. It is a soothing thought, this deep connection, being both a part of the vast universe and able to understand it, belonging to the cosmos completely, and knowing it softly from our small and gentle world. So as you rest tonight, you may hold this gentle wonder softly in your mind, that such a vast cosmos can be understood at all, and that you are a part of the universe come to know itself. There is a deep peace in that, in feeling both small within the vast cosmos and gently able to grasp its beauty, belonging to it and knowing it softly. There is nothing to do but rest, here in your gentle place in the understandable and beautiful universe. It is a soothing thought to carry gently towards sleep. There is a deep and gentle peace in this wonder of understanding, this marvel that the cosmos can be known. We are small, and the universe is vast, and yet we can grasp a gentle part of it, and wonder at its beauty, and feel ourselves the universe come to know itself. There is a quiet comfort in that, a soft and gentle peace, drifting with us through the vast cosmos. It is a soothing thought, this gentle wonder of understanding, resting softly with us, as we drift gently towards sleep beneath the knowable and beautiful stars. And so we have drifted through the quiet wonder that the vast cosmos can be understood at all, and the deep mysteries that gently remain. We have marveled at the understandability of the universe, and our gentle capacity to grasp it, and the beauty of all that is still unknown. And now only a little of our journey remains, a gentle gathering of all we have seen, before the night carries us fully into sleep. But for now, let the wonder of understanding rest quietly in your mind, gentle and beautiful, and full of peace, as you sink a little deeper into stillness and warmth and rest. Let us drift now toward a gentle reflection on the whole beauty of the cosmos, as our journey nears its close. We have wandered far tonight, out toward the edge of the universe, through its beginning and its vastness and its far future, and now let us rest for a while in the simple wonder of it all, the great and gentle beauty of the cosmos, and the deep peace of belonging to it. It is a soothing thing to hold, this whole vast and beautiful universe, drifting quietly in the mind as we settle towards sleep. There is a profound beauty in the whole great story of the universe, from its quiet beginning to its gentle far future. The cosmos began in a single soft moment, blazed with light across the ages, formed its stars and galaxies and worlds, gave rise to life and wondering, and will one day drift toward a peaceful stillness. It is a vast and gentle story, unfolding beautifully across the immense reaches of time. It is a soothing thought, this whole great arc of the cosmos, a story of light and life and rest, unfolding softly from its beginning to its distant end. And we are here, gently, in the midst of this great story, in a bright and living chapter of the cosmos. The universe is neither in its first moments, nor its distant far future, but in a rich and vibrant age, full of light and stars and galaxies, and full of life, at least upon our own gentle world. We are fortunate to be here now, in this bright chapter of the cosmic story. It is a gentle thought, our place in the midst of the great story, in a bright and living age of the universe, gazing softly out at its beauty. It is a gift simply to be here at all, in this vast and beautiful cosmos, that we exist, upon a gentle world, in a bright age of the universe, able to look out and wonder at it all, is a quiet miracle, a precious gift. Against the vast dark and the immense ages, the fact that we are here, gently wondering, is a soft wonder in itself. It is a soothing thought, this gift of being here, existing softly in the vast cosmos, in a bright age of the universe, able to gaze out and wonder at its beauty. We are deeply woven into the great story of the cosmos, made of its very substance. The atoms that make us were forged in the stars, gathered from the ancient universe, shaped gently across billions of years into our own gentle form. We are not apart from the cosmic story, but a part of it, born of the stars, woven softly into the great unfolding of the universe. It is a soothing thought, this deep belonging, being woven gently into the great story of the cosmos, made of its substance, a part of its beautiful unfolding. There is a deep and gentle comfort in belonging so completely to the vast universe. We are not strangers gazing at the cosmos from outside, but a part of it, made of its stuff, woven into its great story, belonging to it completely. The vast universe is our home, and we belong to it gently and forever. It is a soothing thought, this deep belonging, being so completely a part of the vast cosmos, at home in the universe, held gently within its great and beautiful whole, from our small and gentle world. When we gaze up at the night sky now, we behold the whole vast cosmos we have wandered through tonight. The stars and galaxies above us, and the vast space between, and the hidden universe beyond, and the deep history and gentle future, all are there, gathered softly in the great cosmos overhead. To look up at the stars is to behold the whole vast and beautiful universe. It is a soothing thought, this night sky, holding the whole cosmos we have explored, vast and gentle and beautiful. Arching softly above our small and gentle world, there is a deep peace to be found in the vastness of the cosmos, rather than any fear. The universe is so immense, and so ancient, and so gentle in its unfolding, that there is a profound calm in simply resting within it, a small and gentle part of the vast whole. Against such vastness, the hurry of any single day may softly ease away, and a deep peace may gently settle over us. It is a soothing thought, this peace of the cosmos, resting softly within the vast and gentle universe, letting its vastness bring a deep and gentle calm. When we hold the vast cosmos gently in mind, the small worries of any single day may soften and fade. Against the immense universe, so vast and so ancient, our troubles can seem to grow gently smaller and easier to set down. The cosmos has drifted through the ages for billions of years, utterly untroubled, and against its gentle vastness, our worries may quietly ease. It is a soothing thought, this gentle perspective, the vast cosmos softening our small worries, making room in all its vastness for every care to gently fade away. There is a gentle gratitude to be found in beholding the vast and beautiful cosmos. That such a universe exists at all, so vast and so beautiful, and that we are here to wonder at it, is a gift worthy of a soft and quiet gratitude. To feel gratitude for the cosmos, and for the gift of being here to behold it, is a gentle and beautiful thing. It is a soothing thought, this quiet gratitude, being thankful softly for the vast and beautiful universe, and for the gentle gift of being here to gaze upon it and wonder. The vast cosmos also fills us with a gentle sense of wonder, one of the softest and most beautiful of feelings. To gaze upon the immense universe, and to wonder at its beauty and its mystery, is to feel a quiet awe, a soft and gentle wonder that fills the heart. That we can feel such wonder at all, gazing at the vast cosmos, is a gentle gift. It is a soothing thought, this gentle wonder, filling us softly as we gaze upon the vast and beautiful universe, a quiet awe drifting gently through the heart as sleep draws near. There is a deep and gentle beauty in feeling ourselves a part of something so vast and so wondrous. To belong to the great cosmos, to be woven into its beautiful story, to be made of its very substance, is to be part of something immense and gentle and beautiful. And there is a profound comfort in that belonging, a soft and gentle peace. It is a soothing thought, this belonging to the vast cosmos, being a gentle part of something so immense and so beautiful, woven softly into the great and gentle universe. So as you rest tonight, you may hold the whole vast and beautiful cosmos gently in your mind. You may feel yourself a part of its great story, made of its substance, belonging to it completely, held softly within its immense and gentle whole. There is a deep peace in that, in resting within the vast universe, a small and precious part of the great and beautiful cosmos. There is nothing to do but rest, here in your gentle place in the vast and beautiful universe. Let the vastness of the cosmos settle gently over you now, calm and beautiful and endless. Let its immense and gentle beauty fill your mind softly, and its great and patient unfolding bring you a deep and quiet peace. The universe has drifted gently for billions of years, and it will drift softly on, while you rest within it, a gentle part of its vast and beautiful whole. It is a soothing thought, this vast cosmos, settling gently over you, bringing a deep and quiet peace as you drift towards sleep. You are a small and precious part of the vast and beautiful universe, made of its substance, woven into its great story, belonging to it completely. And the same great cosmos that holds the countless stars and galaxies holds you too, gently and softly, here on your small and gentle world. You are at home in the universe, held within its vast and beautiful whole. It is a soothing thought, this gentle belonging, being held softly within the vast cosmos, a small and precious part of the great and beautiful universe. As you rest, there is a deep and gentle peace in all of this, in beholding the vast and beautiful cosmos, and feeling ourselves a gentle part of it. We are small, and the universe is vast, and yet we belong to it completely, made of its substance, woven into its beautiful story. There is a profound comfort in that, a soft and gentle peace, drifting with us towards sleep. It is a soothing thought, this deep peace of belonging to the vast cosmos, resting softly within the great and beautiful universe as we drift gently toward rest. And so we have rested, gently, in a quiet reflection on the whole beauty of the cosmos and the deep peace of belonging to it. We have felt the great arc of the cosmic story, and the gift of being here, and the gentle comfort of being woven into the vast universe. And now only a little of our journey remains, a gentle gathering of all we have seen, before the night carries us fully into sleep. But for now, let the vast and beautiful cosmos rest quietly in your mind, gentle and immense and full of peace, as you sink a little deeper into stillness and warmth and rest. Let us gather now, gently, the whole great journey to the edge of the cosmos, as our night draws toward its close. We have wandered far tonight, out through the vast universe, from its quiet beginning to its farthest reaches, and now let us hold it all together, one last time, before we let the night carry us softly into sleep. It has been a vast and beautiful journey through the whole immense cosmos, and there is a deep peace in gathering it all gently in the mind, as we settle toward rest. We began with the universe itself, everything that exists, gathered into one great and gentle whole. We saw its almost unimaginable vastness, and the observable cosmos stretching for billions of light years around us. And we saw its gentle expansion, the great space between the galaxies softly growing, carrying them apart across the ages. It is a soothing thought, this vast universe, everything there is, expanding gently across the immense reaches of space. We drifted back to the beginning of the cosmos, to its quiet birth long ago. We saw the universe begin in a single soft moment, unimaginably hot and dense, and gently expand and cool across the ages. We saw its first light set free to drift through the cosmos, and its first stars and galaxies kindle softly in the young dark. It is a profound thought, this quiet beginning, from which the whole vast universe gently grew across billions of years. We wondered at the vastness of the cosmos, in space and in time alike. We saw the universe stretch far beyond our sight, without a center and without an edge, perhaps even without end. And we saw its great age, over 13 billion years, and the vast reaches of deep time, with all our history but a soft flicker at the very end. It is a humbling thought, this vastness of the cosmos, so immense in space and time that the mind can only gently gesture toward it. We drifted through the gentle mystery of what the universe is made of. We saw that all the bright and shining things are but a small part of the whole, and that most of the cosmos is hidden and unseen, woven quietly through all of space. We wondered at the unseen dark matter and the mysterious dark energy, and how most of the universe remains gently unknown. It is a soothing thought, this hidden cosmos, vast and gentle and mysterious, woven quietly all around us. We drifted forward, too, to the far future of the universe, to its long, slow journey into the deep. We saw the ever-quickening expansion carry the galaxies gently apart, and the cosmos slowly dim as its stars faded, and the universe settle at last toward a gentle stillness, unimaginably distant and deeply peaceful. It is a gentle thought, this far future, the cosmos drifting softly toward a quiet rest, across spans of time almost beyond meaning. We rested, gently, in a reflection on our own place within the vast cosmos. We traced our gentle address out through world and star and galaxy and the grand web. We felt the smallness and preciousness of our world, a faint pale dot holding everything we have ever known. And we felt how, made of stardust, we belong to the cosmos completely. It is a soothing thought, this gentle place of ours, small and precious, woven softly into the vast universe. We rested with the beautiful question of whether we are alone, among the countless worlds of the cosmos. We wondered at the vast multitude of worlds, and the gentle search for life, and the quiet comfort of the question, whatever its answer. And we found a deep peace in simply holding the question, without any need to resolve it. It is a soothing thought, this gentle wondering, drifting softly with us, whether or not we are alone in the vast cosmos. And we marveled at the quiet wonder that the vast cosmos can be understood at all. We saw how small beings on a small world have come to grasp the beginning and vastness and gentle future of the universe, reading the faint light it sends. And we saw how, in understanding the cosmos, we are, in a sense, the universe come to know itself. It is a profound thought, this gentle understanding, the vast cosmos coming softly to know itself, through our quiet wondering, and through all of it, there has been only wonder, and never any fear. The universe is a gentle place, for all its vastness, unfolding softly across the ages, from its quiet beginning to its peaceful far future. There is a deep peace in it, in its great and gentle story, in the vast and beautiful cosmos it forms. It is calm and patient beyond all measure, drifting gently through the immense reaches of time, and there is a profound rest to be found in simply beholding it. When you look up at the night sky now, you may see it a little differently, knowing all that we have wandered through tonight. The vast cosmos above you holds its quiet beginning, and its immense reaches, and its hidden contents, and its gentle future, all gathered softly overhead, and you are a small and precious part of it all, woven gently into the great universe. To gaze up at the stars is to behold the whole vast and beautiful cosmos, of which you are a gentle part. There is a deep comfort in feeling so connected to the vast universe. We belong to it completely, made of its substance, woven into its great story, able to grasp its gentle order and wonder at its beauty. We are at home in the cosmos, held softly within its vast and beautiful whole. There is a profound peace in that belonging, a gentle warmth to carry with you into sleep, knowing you are a gentle part of the great and beautiful universe. So as you rest tonight, you may carry with you this gentle thought of the whole vast cosmos, from its quiet beginning to its farthest reaches, and your own precious place within it. You are a small and gentle part of the great universe, made of its substance, belonging to it completely, held softly within its immense and beautiful whole. There is nothing to do but rest, here on your small world beneath the whole vast cosmos, drifting quietly through the endless dark. The universe has drifted gently for billions of years, and it will drift softly on for ages almost beyond counting. Long after this quiet night has passed, it will keep expanding, and the galaxies drifting, and the stars shining, across the vast reaches of time, and beneath that whole vast cosmos, on this small and peaceful world, you are held gently too, safe and warm, as the night draws softly in around you. There is nothing more to do than to rest within the vast and beautiful universe. And so we drift, at last back from the edge of the cosmos, in across the vast reaches of space and time, past the farthest galaxies and the hidden universe, past the grand cosmic web and the countless stars, and home again to our own small world, turning softly beneath the vast and beautiful cosmos. It is a universe immense beyond all imagining, unfolding gently from its beginning to its far future, and we are a small and precious part of it all, woven softly into its great and beautiful whole. The cosmos drifts on quietly, patient and calm, as it always has. But for now, you don't need to travel any farther. You have drifted far enough for one night. Let the vast cosmos fade gently in your mind. Let the farthest galaxies and the hidden universe and the deep reaches of time dissolve softly into stillness. Let your breathing slow, and let the weight of the day settle gently away from you, like dust drifting slowly down into quiet. Everything out there will keep drifting, softly and patiently, unfolding gently across the ages, while you rest. There is nothing more to do, and nowhere more to be. There is only the soft and gentle quiet, gathering warmly around you now. Let your thoughts grow soft and slow, like the vast cosmos drifting gently in the dark. Let the wonder of the whole universe settle over you, calm and gentle and endless. The cosmos has drifted for billions of years, and it will keep drifting softly, far across the dark, while you sink down into peaceful sleep. You are safe, and you are held, a gentle part of the vast and beautiful universe, here on your own small world, beneath the whole immense and gentle cosmos. If you are still awake, and you would like to keep drifting a little longer among the stars, another quiet journey is waiting for you on the screen. And if these calm nights bring you a little peace, you are always welcome to return, and to wander gently through the cosmos again, one drifting mind at a time. Sleep well, and good night.